Hello, my crafty friends. How is everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here to do the quickest video ever, picking a winner for the journal that I showed in one of the videos. It's been over a week now, a little over a week. I just hadn't had time, and I was tired, and I had to go to work and all that jazz. So let's get this going. So I've got the URL in there already, and I think this is the one I usually use, but it looks different. So we're going to see how this works. I think maybe they updated it or something. It looks different, quite different. So it could be a different one. I don't know. But I've got the URL right in here. We're going to click fetch. That's different. But let's see what happens. Let's see if they give us a winner. Okay, select the filter you would like to use. Anything goes. Okay, let's see. What is keyword filter, custom filter, top rated? Nope, I guess anything goes is what we want. I don't know. Like I said, this is different. We're learning as we go. Include replies. No, don't include replies because that's me, you know. I think I usually just heart the, but sometimes I'll leave a comment on giveaways, but I try just to heart them so that doesn't get confused with the comments that are being chosen for a winner. So I'm going to click that off. Do not include replies. All right, continue. Please wait while we load 21 comments. Okay, here we go. Pick a winner. Oh my goodness. If y'all don't know who that is, I can't believe it picked you, Mardell. Wow, that's awesome. I am so excited. I will talk to you. If you wouldn't mind sending me an email, just so I have your email on my most recent emails. I don't think I have you in my email right now as far as, a recent email. So that would help me to be in contact and communication with you. But there you go, at Lamb716. You are the winner. And congratulations. Thank you, everyone, for commenting, entering. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned for lots of fun on my channel. I'm excited for 2026. All right, talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.